You see the same ad 5 times before lunch. It is a miracle gummy. It claims to combine the power of apple cider vinegar with the high-octane energy of the keto diet. It looks like a tea. They tell you it works like a blowtorch for body fat. This stuff is everywhere. It is on your TikTok feed. It is on your Facebook wall. It is usually draped in a fake celebrity endorsement. Those ads look just real enough to make you pause. We see these shiny promises and we want to believe them. We want the shortcut. Everyone wants an easy path to a better version of themselves. But we have to look at what is actually inside that little plastic bottle. The marketing says these are a 2-in-1 fat-burning formula. They use things called exogenous ketones. They also use apple cider vinegar. These are two of the biggest buzzwords in the health world right now. Apple cider vinegar does have some small studies behind it. It might help a little bit with blood sugar. It might take the edge off your hunger for a few minutes. But those studies are almost always about the liquid version. Drinking that harsh, acidic liquid is not the same as eating a gummy. These treats are often packed with sugar or artificial sweeteners and gelatin. Then you have the ketones. These are supposed to put you into a state of ketosis instantly. That is the metabolic state where your body burns fat for fuel. But here is the massive catch. Taking a supplement to raise your ketone levels is not the same as your body actually producing them. It happens when you change your entire diet. It is like pouring gold paint on a piece of scrap metal. It looks right on the surface, but the value is not there. There is no strong scientific evidence that these gummies cause real weight loss. They might give you a tiny boost of energy. They might make you feel like you are starting a healthy routine. That psychological boost can be powerful. It can lead to better habits. But the gummy is not doing the heavy lifting. The marketing for these products is often incredibly predatory. You see those before and after photos that look impossible. You see claims that you can lose 40 pounds in a month. They say you can do it without changing anything else. That is a massive red flag. In the real world, human biology does not work that way. The supplement industry is like the Wild West. It is not regulated like actual medicine. A company can put a label on a bottle. They can make massive claims without having to prove them to anyone. Most people who try these find themselves frustrated. They spend a lot of money on a product that tastes fine but does nothing for their waistline. If you just like the taste or want a tiny bit of digestion support, then buy them for that reason. But if you are looking for a total body transformation inside a gummy bear, you are going to be disappointed. Real results come from the boring stuff. It is the calorie deficit. It is the physical movement. It is the consistency over months and years. These companies want you to think you can skip the hard work. They want your money more than they want your success. Do not let a well-edited video or a fake celebrity interview trick you into thinking there is a magic pill. There is not. Stay curious and stay skeptical. Focus on the habits that actually move the needle. Your health is worth way more than a viral marketing trend. Every time a new shortcut pops up, it is just a distraction from the real work that creates change. You do not need a gimmick to get where you want to go. You just need a plan and the patience to see it through.